Something new happens every day in the world of electric vehicles, but what Elon Musk has announced this time is different from all the other news. This is not just a small update, it's a move that has created a stir in the headquarters of big companies like BYD and Toyota. Elon Musk, who has become the poster boy of the EV revolution through Tesla, has once again proved that he thinks not only about business, but also about the future. In his recent interview, he made a statement that clearly indicates the future will be fully electric. But that's not all. Now, he's working on a new technology, a new strategy, and a new model, one that will not only accelerate the growth of the EV sector, but also create serious challenges for the old players. This move by Musk could very well be the last nail in the coffin of petrol and diesel vehicles in the coming years. So let's dive deeper into this video to understand Elon Musk's master plan. But before we do, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss explosive updates like this one. Before we talk about Musk's shocking new move, let's understand where Tesla stands in the global market, so you'll know exactly why he's making such a bold decision. Today, when we talk about the global car industry, Tesla is the name that stands out at the top. The company isn't just ahead in EV sales, it's redefining the entire electric vehicle market. While other companies are still catching up with EV technology, Tesla has already pulled far ahead. In 2024 alone, Tesla sold more than 2 million cars globally, and this number keeps rising. From America and Europe to China and India, Tesla's demand is tremendous. The special thing? Tesla cars aren't just futuristic in design. Their technology is years ahead of their competitors. Tesla's biggest strength is its software. While most automakers are still offering basic touchscreens or simple navigation, Tesla vehicles literally work like a computer on wheels. With over-the-air OTA updates, autopilot driving, and continuous feature improvements, Tesla cars keep getting smarter over time. And then there's the charging network. While others struggle with limited infrastructure, Tesla has established its own fast-charging supercharger network globally, making long-distance travel convenient and worry-free for Tesla users. All this makes Tesla more than just a car brand, it's an experience. But what about the price? Some may argue Tesla cars are expensive. But when you look at the technology, range, safety features, and driving enjoyment, the price starts to feel justified. On top of that, Tesla is working on cheaper models to make EVs accessible to more people, making the dream of owning an electric car a reality for millions. Because of Tesla, giants like Toyota, Ford, Volkswagen, and even BYD have had to completely rethink their strategies. Everyone is now launching new EV models, building battery plants, and investing in software, just to stay in the game. But Musk? He's always 10 steps ahead. Tesla's vehicles are built on the foundation of sustainable energy, meaning no oil, no emissions, and no pollution. That's a huge deal in today's world, where the focus is on climate change and carbon reduction. Elon Musk hasn't just built a car company, he's built an ideology. Every step he takes shakes the market, whether it's launching a gigafactory, creating cheaper EVs, or innovating in battery technology. And today, we're going to talk about one of his boldest moves yet, a plan that could redefine the EV landscape completely. Let's talk about the shocking announcement that's keeping BYD, Toyota, and others up at night. Elon Musk's game-changing plan centers around Tesla's new 4680 battery cell technology. While this project has been in the works for years, the speed and strategy behind it have now shifted into high gear. This is not just any battery. The 4680 cell represents next-generation battery innovation. It's more powerful, more efficient, and cheaper than current batteries. Its standout feature? A larger cylindrical design that outperforms previous cells. The result? Increased range, reduced charging times, and lower production costs. This technology could disrupt not only the EV market, but the entire global battery industry. Now the news is that Tesla has made many technical improvements inside the 4680 cell. This means that the problems Tesla was facing earlier, like heating issues, production delays, and lack of material, are now slowly getting resolved. This is the reason why Elon Musk is now preparing this technology for mass production. But the real game changer is that Tesla has decided it will now make all the necessary materials used in these battery cells, like cathode, lithium, anode, electrode, everything in America itself. Yes, Tesla's focus is now completely on creating a local supply chain in America. Now, you must be wondering why. The biggest reason for this is to reduce dependence on China. Till now, many important raw materials for EV batteries used to come from China. But Elon Musk now wants Tesla to be completely self-reliant. Another big advantage of this is that the speed of battery production will increase and prices will decrease. When batteries become cheaper, obviously, vehicles will also become cheaper. This is Musk's next master plan, to make EVs so cheap that everyone can afford them. Tesla's new gigafactories will not only make vehicles, but will also build lithium processing units, cathode units, and raw material refining plants for batteries. This means Tesla will now control the entire supply chain itself. This will not only reduce costs, but also maintain high quality. All of this increases Tesla's strength manifold. Imagine when a single company designs the battery, refines the materials, produces it, and then installs it in vehicles. How difficult it will be for other companies to compete. This is the reason why BYD, Toyota, and other big companies have lost sleep. This entire plan of Tesla is not just about technology, but also a geopolitical and strategic move. The US government is also supporting Musk in this direction, as this will strengthen the country's industry and reduce dependence on China. Till now, the biggest question in the EV market was, who will make the batteries and how quickly will they be able to make them? Now Tesla has the answer to this. That's why this move by Elon Musk can completely change the game in the coming years. If you were thinking that Tesla is only making cars, then you were wrong. Tesla is now preparing to become the backbone of the entire EV industry. This is the beginning of that future, where cars will not only be fast and cheap, but will also be completely made in the USA. So, in which vehicles will Tesla's 4680 battery cell be used first? And how much will it change their performance and price? Now let's talk about the most important question that must be coming to your mind. In which vehicle will Tesla's new 4680 battery cell be used first, and what is it going to change?